Hi everyone, got another video, another unboxing, Casio G-Shock 2100 series. So we've got the GM-2100CL-5A. So we'll just read basically what we've got here on the Casio website. Adventure off-road in premium luxury with a G-Shock inspired by ancient desert landscapes. These metal-clad takes on iconic G-Shock favourite shine with lavish style thanks to the colourfully iron-plated metal bezel and the metallic vapour disposition on the dial. So yeah, and it goes on a little bit there. So we've got shock resistant, transparent colour, 20 bar water resistance, which is basic information, 49.3 by 44.4 by 11.8, 72 grams. What else we got? World time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, double LED light, LED white light, calendar. And yeah, so looking forward to unboxing this one actually, because I've been looking, it's been interesting trying to find this one at a reasonable price. But yeah, so let's have a look at this. So this one's come from Creation Watches. So yep, let's have a see what we've got here. Casio box. So as you can see there, the GM-2100CL-5A module 5611. Let's get into this. So yep, we've got the instruction booklet, the usual warranty card. We've got a tin. Hooray! That's the second one in a row with a tin. Yep, the normal G-Shock tin. Let's get into this. Oh, that was a bit tight. Oh, we actually got a pillow, which is unusual. The last watch I reviewed didn't have a pillow. And bang, here we go. So as you can see here, GM-2100CL G-Shock. Oh, wow. This one is stunning. It's a rose gold effect. Let me just, unbelievable. And I'm not sure if it's coming through on camera, but the you got, it's a maroonish color band here. So I didn't realize that. It doesn't really show that on the photos, but yeah, I got a maroonish colored band. We've got here anything special on the back. That's beautiful. Let's take the plastic off. I've got to put this on wrist. See what how it feels. Okay. Let's have a closer look here. There's the dial. That is a really stunning dial. G-Shock Casio have done a tremendous job with this version. It's got a bit of weight to it too, 72 grams it says on the website, but it feels a lot heavier than that. Yeah, that's beautiful. I love it. This is going to go into the top 10 favorites. Yeah, nice one, Casio. So luxury in the desert, adventure. Doesn't look like much of an adventure watch, but I tell you what, it stands out. So what do we got here? The usual functions. Yep. Got the day and date there. See the lume on this. Oh, there's some, wow, bright light. I love these new lights that Casio are using on their watches. Way better than the old days, the old school watch, Casio watches. It's brilliant, so bright. Love it. Yeah, nice. There's a lot of detail to this, but I have to admit this bezel and the watch face is just stunning. It really is. If you ever get a chance to get one of these, highly recommend it. This is one that's going to stand out. Let's put it on wrist and see what it looks like. I'm wearing the RGB gaming watch at the moment. It's one of the latest ones that's come in. Yeah, let's put this one on wrist. Oh wow, this is just stunning. Very impressed. Very impressed. Very similar to the moon, but the moon is like a real gold on wrist.